In 2024, the gaming laptop market has truly transformed, offering incredible performance, reasonable prices, and impressive features. The demand for high-performance gaming laptops has led to the introduction of several remarkable models that cater to diverse gaming preferences. From hardcore gamers seeking unparalleled power to budget-conscious players looking for value, there is something for everyone this year. Leading the pack is the Alienware M18, a beast in the gaming world. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, it delivers exceptional speed and stunning graphics. This laptop is designed to handle even the most demanding AAA titles with ease, ensuring an immersive gaming experience. Plus, with its 18-inch QHD display boasting a 120Hz refresh rate, the visuals are nothing short of breathtaking, making every game come to life. For those on a tighter budget, the Asus ROG Strix G16 offers excellent performance without breaking the bank. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX and NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics card, this laptop strikes a perfect balance between cost and performance. The 16-inch FHD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay, while its cooling technology keeps the system running at optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. It's a solid choice for gamers who want high performance without a hefty price tag. If portability is a priority, the Razer Blade 14 is the go-to option. This sleek, lightweight laptop packs a punch with its AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS and NVIDIA RTX 4070. Gamers will appreciate its compact design, making it easy to carry while still delivering a robust gaming experience. The 14-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate ensures vibrant and immersive visuals. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on performance, proving that good things do come in small packages. Finally, the MSI GE78 Raider represents the perfect blend of power and aesthetics. It features an Intel Core i9 13980HX and NVIDIA RTX 4080, offering top-tier performance. 3-inch UHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate provides crystal-clear visuals, making it perfect for both gaming and content creation. Its RGB lighting system allows gamers to personalize their setup, enhancing the overall gaming vibe. This laptop is an excellent choice for those who want both style and substance. In conclusion, 2024 offers a wide range of gaming laptops that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you are looking for sheer power, portability, or affordability, the options are plenty. The Alienware M18, Asus ROG Strix G16, Razer Blade 14, and MSI GE78 Raider are among the top contenders this year. Each of these laptops brings something unique to the table, ensuring a superior gaming experience.